There's a place down south we all know. It's a place Mrs. D refuses to go. Some people call it New Orleans, others call it New Orleans. But people from around here all know it's a place to stay away. There's a place called Bourbon Street. Smells like someone made pee. The stink will knock you off your feet. Tourists love to get drunk and puke all over that stinky, dirty, disgusting Bourbon Street. There's scammers and thieves, people rubbing off your door looking to take away your phone. If you end up there, you better beware and keep your eye on your money. You're better off keeping your wallet at home when you're in New Orleans. Don't make a bet with that guy on the corner saying he knows where you got your shoes. He'll play a dirty trick on you. That's what he likes to do. Been doing it since 1982. For whatever reason, people like to dream and drink. You'd be better off drinking at home, because over there they'll steal your clothes and leave you on the street in your dirty console. That's what the city will do to you. Yeah, we're telling you, you better keep your wallet at home. When you're visiting New Orleans, you better keep your wallet at home. When you're visiting New Orleans, keep that wallet at home when you visit New Orleans. I know some people won't like what me and Johnny says. People will say New Orleans okay, but we are looking out for you. And take our advice and run away. But if you decide to come, you're better off keeping your wallet at home when you visit New Orleans. What a stinky city. Smells like pee.